Hello everyone, it's 6th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have Trump asserts India cut Russian oil to please him. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have ST denies bail to Umar Khalid Sharjeel Imam for Delhi riots. Again very important for security perspective. Then we have Maduro pleads not guilty, says he is still president of his country. Again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward we have NGT notice to center UP over violations near the Taj Mahal. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have what does the Shanti Bill change? Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have what remote sensing reveals about plants, forests, and minerals from space. Again, very important for science and tech as well as environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Prime Minister to visit Somnath Temple on January 11. Again, very important. Then we have Hyderabad woman has been found dead with injuries in the United States. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have a terrorist act is not just finale but culmination of conspirational activities, says Supreme Court. Again, very important for security perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have US won't govern Venezuela but will press for changes through embargo. Again, very important. Then we have Ukraine did not target Putin residents and drone strike as Kremlin claims, says Trump. Then we have Greenland Prime Minister says no more fantasies about annexation. Then we have Iran judiciary chief says no leniency to rioters as demonstrations loom. Then we have lastly Colombian president slams Trump, says stop slandering me. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.